Howdy y'all, Mega Gaming again. I have no idea where that key is, so I'm assuming it's around here. I'm assuming a lot. But in my assumptions, I will, skip ahead until I, find the door. So see y'all then. Okay guys, those things, are back. Okay. Didn't I really shouldn't have I really should have killed them. Yeah, okay. I will kill them. At this point it's personal. This way. Okay. That means the dogs are all here. Quick save. Yep. Ooh. Stop, dog. Or intelligent. God. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Killed it. Time to kill the other ones. Just when I said that I was going to look for the area, the exit, those things came after me. Okay. Other dog. Now I'm gonna use this. It does a lot of damage. Oh yeah, that is. Yeah, I'm gonna die soon. Shit. Bandages? I don't have any. Scrap metal. Rag. Do I have alcohol? I have vodka. That what? It does. Okay. I am hungry. There. Again with the thing. Still hungry. Okay. I'm gonna quick save because I don't wanna redo all that again. Oh, it's right there. He's right there. Okay. Ah, get one shot. Now I remember there being another one. There were 2 spiders. And 3 dogs. 2 spiders, 3 dogs. So now I have to go all around. Ew, what's... What did I pick up? Another handle, okay. This way? No. No, okay, I will see y'all until I find the exit. Alright guys, I didn't find it, but I do remember this place, and I remember that thing, so it might be over there. I'm just gonna stab. Okay. I just gotta do it gently. Go, 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 go. No, 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 no. Okay, 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 okay. 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 I found something. Even more spiders after. Okay, what did I find? A hole? Nice. Miller's store. Oh, wait a minute. It gives me an idea. Hopefully those things don't come after me. Jesus Christ. This way? Okay, that's a... I'm running. Shit. This way. Yeah. Okay. No. This way. I am lost again. This way. Then this way. No, not this way. Jesus Christ, not that way. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I'm moving. Speed. Oh, yeah. Okay. What am I picking up? Oh, Jesus, I'm almost... Cannot be broken. A very rare weapon. Use it wisely. I certainly will, sir. I'll put you there. Put you there. Put you there. What did I pick up? Compound MK2 can be combined with... I don't know what any of these are. Scientific. Oh, okay. Reduces bleeding. Top of steroid allows effects of... Stops hunger. Okay. All these good, and I'm almost overweight. Okay, so let me inject myself. I am hungry. Still hungry. Okay. Well, I am... I think be safer and wiser. Did I start the... No, I did not. God. Okay. Hold on. Once I reach over here, let me see how much time has gone. I'm gonna assume... Yeah, 15 minutes from now. It has to be not this way, but I'm assuming a lot this way. Maybe. Sunset. No. Because we want to go to the surface. Ooh, okay. How much does this do? Where is it? Oh, in my hand. 40.
Leader, there
Okay.
is nothing to be said about her. As soon as we reach the mines, none of this will matter.
Okay. Out of the mines and up to the surface. Kinda glad I went back. Got a shotgun gun to this thing. Oh, we did it, guys. We got the... Kinda glad... I'm repeating myself. Loading. Chapter 3. Forgotten. Okay. Let me do a quick save here because I don't want to do all that. Okay.
I've been isolated in this place. It has been suffocating.
Okay, man. Oh, this is like a store. A brick. More bricks. I'm almost... Okay. You there. Man, I got a lot of stuff. That barely helped. Oh, God. Yes. Locked. Okay. Jealousy is suffocating. Okay. Oh. Oh, it's one of those. Let's come over here. What are you? Ugh. Oh, I can hit him from a distance. That's good. You know, most of the good melee weapons in the, you know, ones with a lot of range. Like the pole-arm, the halberd, spear, that kind of stuff. And as times go on, we now still kill people from a very far away range or distance. Okay, I'm gonna... Oh wait, this can't be broken. These are really good. Can I break these? Okay. Nothing. Now that I think about it, yeah, I don't really want to meet if I have so much other stuff. Ooh, what's this? Oh, a knife repair kit. Okay. 60? We're going down heavy. Whoa. Sword. Okay. Oh, that's good. I still have alcohol, right? Yes. Rag. you. How much did that make? Okay. Man, this sort is sorts. Ooh. Whoa. Outside, fresh air. Tyler, I appreciate that you want to reconnect after moving back to the mainland. I'm so sorry to hear about your illness. I feel terrible for keeping this a secret for so long, but trying to get a hold of you since you left for Oasis was almost impossible. We have a child. She is beautiful. Her name is Cora. Please keep in touch. Right back to me. Linda. Ew. Oh, Jesus. So, dude left. Turns out he has a child. Get help. You know what? I think, as I said before, this is kind of remind me of Cry of Fear. And by that, I mean, maybe this is all in my head. Because there's a get help thing. This is a good thumbnail area, in a way. Never mind. It's this. No, what? What is that? Harpoon weapon. Ooh. Going one-hand attack only cannot be broken. Okay. Can that be broken? Cannot be broken. Okay. Because if it can't be broken, why not just use it as a whacking thing? Locked. Locked. All these stores locked. Locked. Yeah. Okay. I want to explore more. Might be some goodies. Locked. Okay. Back down again.
With what festers in there, we will need a weapon more conventional to pass. Nearby is an offshore prison containing an armory. In there, you will find a firearm. We need this to proceed.
Okay. Gotta find a gun. I mean, I already have a gun. Maybe it's a different type of weapon. Hold on. Not open from this side. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Looks like this is a job for the wrench. And nothing. Tape. You know what? I noticed most of the weapons that can be broken are either, you know, light or have wood. Oh, that's the small hammer. Okay. Where's the big hammer? The sledgehammer. Right here. 40, 1 and 80. Does not deal a lot of damage. Good reach. Okay. White dogs. Eat this. Ooh, Jesus. Bleeding. Bleeding a lot. Where's the scientific? Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, I should take advantage of its reach. That's for some reason it's funny when I throw stuff and it kills things. not open from this side. Okay. Well, this is a very grayish area. Is it always this gray? What I mean by that is there's no bright colors. No, I heard I read this in like a stupid fact post that a town had a crime problem, and they painted the town very bright colors, and it kind of lowered the crime a bit. Maybe put a little rainbow here and there. And I'm not meaning it by pride, more like it's saved. Oh god, it's saved. Must mean there are enemies. Oh. Okay. Yeah. Ugh. Oh, what the fuck? Panic. Okay. Tactical cheat. I am bleeding. Can't believe they did that. Okay. Here. Oh. Okay. Stay there. What are you? Ooh. Oh, you drop. What did you drop? Was it beans? Yep, canned meat. Man, I am constantly almost dying. And this is an issue. Okay. Can't believe they would do that. Spawn enemy behind me. I don't want to use my shotgun because I don't have a lot of bullets and you are carrying too much. Yep, I am. Ooh. Shit. Okay, let's get. Oh man. Stop that. Oh, fuck's sakes. Stop that. Stop that. Okay. Do I have another pole? Well, I have more glue, right? I'm not seeing glue. Dirty water. Smokes. Locked. You know what? I'm gonna go this way. Check the time. Oh. Okay. Wonder why it does that. Oh, that is. That's the end of the video, guys. If you got this far, that must mean you enjoy me suffering and getting scared playing this game. And if you did, hit the like, share, and subscribe button. It will help me out in my channel a lot if you hit those 3 buttons. Leave a comment giving me feedback or encouragement. I would greatly appreciate it. And would love to read those comments. Hit the notification bell to see when I post a video, usually at 12 PM Central Time. Thank you for watching, and I see y'all in the next video. Have a good day.